done doing the libation, he will call the gaa'mang to sit on the stool. That is her stool, made in Suriname by the Okanisi. That is the stool where she will sit and rule. Well, the mothers and the fathers, today is God's day. Everybody is praying to God. Everybody is praying to God. Because God is strong, is powerful. Everything you do, you will call on God. And since we are here, the people that we saw here, they are our family. All of us, one mother could not deliver us. So we are divided in sleeping places. But we are here, it's not because we are big. We are here for one and another. And today we are here to do a job for this mother. And what we will do here, it needs to be for the best for her whole house and all of the Jamaican people. And we pray to Mother Earth. The house can be as big as it wants to. The tree can be as big as it wants to. But the Mother Earth carries them all. I am Captain Dabaya Gasson. I am that is doing this job here right now. This is Basia, linguist Basia Boy Kelly. This is the tutumang, the abang person as you call it. Dam malonti, ba datali malonti. The government of Suriname gave us two of the government people to guide us through this journey. And look at them there. That is Miss Joanne, Mrs. Joanne Casno Adrai. Is an Okanisi woman as well. She works in the Ministry of Regional Development. And Miss Minerva Yuku, an Okanisi woman as well. They are advisor to the Minister of Regional Development. So the government is involved here. This is our daddy, our father, the gaa'mang. After him, you have the head of all the chiefs of the tribe. That is him who is doing the job. And they are praying that everything will go well for this mother that they will install today as the gaa'mang for all maroons in the world. When you gaa'mang, you for all people. It does not go for your own tribe. So our gaa'mang here is also gaa'mang for everybody. Okay, Mama G needs to come and sit down now on her stool. Please carry her.
Is this,
her husband will accompany her on the podium. Yes, please stand. Please stand.
Hi, Jen. Come on the side. Okay.
Mama G can go. Yeah. Better one. Yes. So you say right now this is not her stool yet. There must be some ritual before she go and sit on her stool, right? Her husband sit next to her because he agrees with what is happening. He will help her govern as well.
That's the bend down.
We pray what he will now translate what he just have said. He prays to the ancestors and he prays to the earth, Mother Earth, that they came to visit. We are the first one to do this installment of gaa'mang, but it is not because we are greater, we are humbled to do this. This gaa'mang is the first one to come to install another gaa'mang, and we hope that everything will go well. And now he will greet you in Apinti language. This is how the greeting sounds. understands the language very well, and both of them, they are the only ones that understand. And you see them enjoying themselves because he's saying good things. He might tell me what he just said because I'm as curious as you are. He says, the celebration is big, but we don't have much time. Time is too short. Other job has to be done. He says, please indulge with them. There is more to do. So that's why he cannot goes on playing and talking. But he might, right now, they will dismiss the Apinski language, and that is the ritual to dismiss it. The goat, whenever he lives, his mouth is moving, chewing something. We don't know.
Oh, yeah, sure, ma'am. I have a couple good things. So
they will look for something to wet their lips, as what the goat loves to do. And then he will pause with this. Because of our own power, but because of God's power. Thank you. That was Lespeki Gaa'mang. Lespeki means honorable. Gaa'mang Johannes. Bolong. Balong. Oh my God, I'm sorry. Balong. So now you will see what is going on now. I don't know. They know. Indulge with us, please. The gaa'mang is asking. We had to work at home because we are not alone here. The people need to see what we are doing. That's why we will not hide it from you. Because seeing is knowing. Those who are seeing, as how they witness this, and if you all need to do it somewhere else, then if someone does it somewhere else, you will say, I knew it, I saw it before. What you hear, and your ear, they say it is breaking the wall. But what you see, that is your own experience. And then you know better than when you hear it. So you can hear through the walls, but when you see it, you know it. Well, gaa'mangs love parables, and sometimes it's hard to understand. It's just a parable. And what I can say, what he told me, no one else but a gaa'mang can install another gaa'mang.
Makes sense.
So they will take off the head. Yes. This a way of tying the hand is white. We didn't give her black. White means good. From her head to her toes, it's that. So she will be very clean and genuine to live with the people, young and old, and her husband, men and women, all his clan and kinship in the whole world. This is this sign. Meaning integrity is very important for a gaa'mang. A gaa'mang is never corrupt. Right? Let me translate that. What he's saying, you will never be a corrupt gaa'mang. You're always transparent and you serve well. The thing they brought there, they call it go. It's a big calabash. And they will use white clay. And the white clay in our language, we call it pimba. You need to put first souls to show that it's good. Because if something might happen because of the hurt, it will happen to him as well. So they need to be very transparent and good in all they do. Yeah. Because the captain just explained, this is for you to know that it is a good thing that they are doing. Everywhere she goes, the path might be lightened, everything needs to be very good for her wherever she goes. Good things need to happen to her. And even if it is, but the dirt is black, it is clean. White means, well, white means clean. You are clean. They are cleansing her. And whatever, if she might have a spirit that carries her, it should agree with her. Her hands are clean as well. If she blesses someone with that hand, pray to God, it must be a blessing to the person. When you are ill and the gaa'mang prays for you, you need to be cured. Everything needs to be, it has to have a cleansing impact on you. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. The captain says,
How many stones am I knocking from under my feet? Seriously? I don't walk here. I have to go running people from trying to step in front of your gun. No. It's not that bad. I'm just let them in their own world.
This is too red for us because this was too red. We are not doing something bad because you know red is blood and we don't want that at all. So green is fruitfulness. We will install her at a stool and the chief of chiefs will speak now. This tribe is as big as 50,000 maroons.
That's big.
Yes, so they rule up about, the maroon population in Suriname is 117,000. And we are the second largest tribe. The Samaka is the biggest. They were over about 60 to 70,000. Now they will put her at her ruling stool. We want one woman of this country, one woman of Jamaica, who volunteers, Jamaican woman, who volunteers. Oh my God, I see many hands. Which one? One of you just rush onto the podium, Jamaican. Oh God, someone won. Wow, Jaja woman, meaning strong. Jaja woman. It's not Jah Rastafari. Jaja in all language means something, someone who's strong. You and her husband will put her. Okay. We and Jamaica, that means Jamaica is in agreement with Suriname to install Mamaji, gaa'mang, as the gaa'mang over Jamaica. So we and the country of Jamaica, Suriname and Jamaica are in agreement here. That is why the Jamaican woman of the soil is here with us together. Hold one hand over. Not the husband yet. Not the husband yet. The papa there will hold her hand. Oliana, come here. Come on this side. Come here. They will put her down 3 times. She will go sit. Get up. Sit. With both hands, because then means you embrace her. Yes. Put her down. Put her down. Mamaji, sit down. Gaama. Okay. Up again. There is 1. 1 again. 2. Up again. And then 3. Oh, they say 1 up and 1 down. 1 up and 1 down is 1. Okay, 1 more. And now it is 3. Go down again. Yes. Yes. Gaama. No, you
Good stuff.
Yeah, good. Even the sideways view is not too bad.
You see, all you want is just an angle sometimes.
Exactly.
We are saying which one is the right hand, huh? Lechana. Today you are gaa'mang to govern over, to rule over all the people, all nations. You are gaa'mang.
Switch over, or just take limited shots. Because I think memory can hold some for you.
That is true.
No, definitely.
For all the rivers.
No, man, what I want to do.
Just believe some stuff that are unsharp.
You are gaa'mang, oh, that is what he said. To rule over people, men and women, everything in the forest, all over, for young and old, and family, relatives, and others. If she was a greedy person, she should not be greedy again. Everybody that comes to her doors, they ask her for food, she needs to give. Husband, same thing we tell you. Don't make enemies, you don't have enemies again. Well, what we did before coming here, they went to cleanse her at the riverside. So meaning she's cleansed before she came here. Whatever she did before should not prolong. She's clean now. What goes for the wife goes for the husband. If he had enemies, he need to let it go. Make friends with all your enemies. Even if they come, then they punch him in his mouth, he should stop there. Then he will push it away. He won't fight. So they are peacemakers. Well, now the gaa'mang will, the husband, they will bless him as well. They will bless him as well because he's, whatever she carries, he carries. He is the leader of the house, the family. And she is the leader of the nation of Jamaica. So she's also everybody, even if you're not maroon, she's gaa'mang. So it does not go only for the maroons. It's gaa'mang. Everybody needs to address her. If newspaper people are here, you never say Mrs. Gloria Sims. You say gaa'mang Gloria Sims or gaa'mang Mama G. We say Konde Masa. Konde Masa, rural of the country. And the husband has the same blessings. It's gaa'mang husband. So you refer to the gaa'mang husband. You will see, there has been some gifts from the people of Suriname for the gaa'mang. So they will give the gaa'mang gifts to rule. And he has to ask for permission to the gaa'mang whenever you go close. You say, permit me, gaa'mang, and that is what he said just now. We call this a pangi. Maroon women of Suriname made it. They talk with their pangi. You see, all of us have pangi on. And I am a big woman, so my pangi should not be short. Or else I might look for a husband and I'm married. And married women should not do that. No man should see behind your this. Right? As a married woman. That's the protocol. Maroons live by a lot of protocol. The Ministry of Regional Development has given her a pangi as well. The mother of this lady gave Mama G this pangi. And look here, her name is there. She said, Mama G, God will love you. God loves you. We put it. That is this lady's mom. She met Mama G when she came to Suriname and they danced in the church. Okay. They will share with the husbands as well. Here you go. When you put it like this, we call it banjakosi. When it is like this on your body, it's banjakosi. When it is like it is with me, it's pangi. So a man can never have a pangi on. Right? They can have on kamisa, but kamisa is the one that this young man has on, the basia has on. He has a kamisa on showing his legs, beautiful legs. And he has a banjakosi on. And women makes it out of love for their husbands. Gaa'mang husband. There is more to come for the gaa'mang. Gaa'mang Gloria. Never Gloria again. Gaa'mang Gloria. Empress Gloria. Queen Gloria. All these titles is gaa'mang. Right? Queen, Empress is gaa'mang. Just the same. This we call a tea made by a... Yes, this is a tea, you know what to do with it, right? That is tea, it speaks. This is a stool, and the Republic of Suriname, government of the gaa'mang has given her some stuff as well.
Beautiful story.
A pen with the Suriname map, the flag of Suriname. Because we have Amerindian tribes, they say we have 7, but I hear there are 24 tribes there. This is her diamond. And the woman of Jamaica that represents you gets one as well. Oh. Yes. She needs to rule. We will give her her ruling style. But when we were in the plane, you know how they goes about stuff when you travel? They broke it. So we beg you to, like, she will fix it. I know Colonel Lumsden will fix it. But this goes with your gaa'mang. You see, the gaa'mang has one. So every gaa'mang has one to rule. Right now, she's the linguist, she's the basia. Don't you see? She works as it's supposed to be, to the queen, to the empress, to the gaa'mang. Thank you. Colonel Lumsden got a good one as well. He's a very strong man. But if the people, you know, to be a gaa'mang, your people, someone appoints you. Never yourself. Never. You cannot go and ask for it. It's not a political party thing. It's ruling we're talking about. Right? Well, sorry, that is, I'm trying to not to be the ambassador. I'm trying to be the maroon woman right here. That's how it is. You know, one person is very instrumental in this thing. Is Frank Butkin and Paul. What's your last name, Paul?
Youngquist.
Youngquist.
It's too hard for my maroon tongue. Paul. These two people, when Gaa'mang Mama G would come, when we invited her to come to the Maroon Women's Conference in January this year, they helped Let's pick it. Let's pick it. Yes, that's how it goes. Say he's leaving and he thanks you. He was so happy to be here. Wonderful. Yeah. Well, listen to what the Ministry of Regional Development has to share with you. This is Minerva Yuku. Her father is a chief as well, a maroon chief. So she's a princess.
Hi everybody, as you all know, I'm a representative of the Ministry of Regional Development. The Ministry of Regional Development in Suriname facilitates the chieftaincy of both the natives and the maroons on behalf of the government of Suriname. The government subsequently gives the chiefs and their gaa'mangs a monthly stipend. There are frequently meetings with each other on governance of the tribes for several reasons accordingly. That is why the government of Suriname supports this governance initiative of Suriname Maroons and the Jamaican Maroons, as well as all contribution to cultural exchange between two CARICOM nations. The Ministry of Regional Development has a minister, and that is Stanley Betterson, he would like to extend his warmest greetings to the government and the people of Jamaica, especially the Maroons. He is looking forward to a continuous exchange of Maroon activities in both nations. Thank you.
I believe the principal, Gloria, you will announce. She can put her head again on. And the white tie, she needs to keep it for 3 days long. Don't take it off. 3 days, and then she can take it away. So I will give the mic to Colonel Lumsden to announce someone.
On behalf of the Rastafarian people right here, a female energy has arrived in 1800 years. And right now we give praise to the female energy of the Maroon town right now and the Maroon people. Let all of us say it down. Rastafari! Give thanks to the ancestors. Female energy is
This has been an extraordinary experience, an extraordinary ceremony. Right after this, we are asking the principal of the University of the West Indies to get ready to address us all. There are matters of importance that needs to be addressed, and all things in good time is good. Yes. At Parliament, Raymond Price, also the representative of Kingston, of the Mayor of Kingston, is also here with us. Also